Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening Twitter and tapping the search icon. Don't pause. Once the search field opens, recent searches appear instantly. You can remove entries one by one or clear everything. The controls are right next to each item or above the list. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple logins, because you'll clear only the active account's history. Once done here, you're ready to remove entries in a single sweep or pick specific items to delete. Now remove items. For single entries, tap the times beside that search and confirm. This deletes only that term. If you prefer a clean slate, choose Clear or Clear All. Twitter will erase the entire recent list for the active account. On desktop, click the search box, then choose Clear All Searches. Make sure to wait a second and reopen the search field to verify removal. Also note that clearing here doesn't clear browser history or device caches. Finish by reopening the search field to confirm the recent list is empty. That final check guarantees success. If you still see terms, clear your browser or app cache or log out and log back in. Sometimes cached data or cross-device sync restores them. If problems continue, disable any third-party apps or search sync on other devices and check saved searches on your profile. One tip: if searches reappear, perform a cache clear and restart the app. This resolves most persistence issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.